Hi everyone, it's Cynthia with CactiOnWhite and welcome to my channel. I'm stopping in at Home Depot in Irving, Texas to run some errands, but of course, plants. And I thought I'd bring you guys along. All right, guys, this is a quick stop, just showing you what they have since I have to go through the plant section. They have these Americanas, the variegated ones for $42.98. They have some very spiny, plus my shadow, Opuntias for $22.98. They're awesome, though. Look at those spines. I love them. Everything else looks status quo. They have some elephant bush. They have some Hesper aloe back there, and they have some more Opuntias here. So we're gonna go inside and see what they have, and I'm not expecting anything because it's mom season. It's mom season. Look at all the moms. It's their time to shine. It's fall. So you know what happens in fall? The plants start to disappear. So let's see what they have, and then maybe it's something good. I don't know. All right, guys, here's their cactus and succulents. A bunch of the small plants. Just looking here. These are $5.48. There's some little tiny gymnos there, $5.48. Little guy's cute. $5.48. They used to be $3.48. Now they're $5.48. Here's some larger plants here. These, I should probably get me one. This guy here. I've been wanting this. There. Ooh, that's a nice size Gymnocalycium, guys. Ah, damn. I might have to get a cart. Tori, find a cart. Find me a cart. Good Tori, guys. she's on the move. Look at that gymno. You don't see them that large, and they got some nice big mammillarias. So not so bad. I got one of these guys recently. And I'm sorry for my shadow, but this guy here, it's outside of my house. I don't know the price on these. I'm looking and I don't see it, but how beautiful is that? So I'm gonna get that gymno because that's my favorite. One of my favorite Genesis is Gymnocalycium. If you've watched my channel enough, you know that already. They have some agaves back there. They look like they're stretching a little bit. They're stretching, see how stretching that is? Let me see, let me zoom in. Yeah, that's a kind of a odd growth pattern. They also have, let me go around here while Tori's getting a cart, guys. They also have a drip right here. I don't want to get my sandals wet, but they got that. It's wet over here. Damn. And I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk it all. Anything for plants, right, guys? Anything. So we're looking here. See nothing. Nothing. More agaves, some big Echeverias here. They have some under here, but nothing that I'm interested in. Really, that's Tori with the cart. Here she comes, guys. There's Tori, guys. Say hi, Tori. Say hi, Tori. She said hi, guys. She's adjusting really nice to her braces. I'm gonna come around. So I'm gonna get that gymno. I'm gonna get a gymno, and I might get that euphorbia because I've been wanting that. And you know, the plants are drying up around these parts because it's mom season. So let me grab these two, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I have the Moroccan Mound here. It's an Altman Reserve. Here's the name. It's like $18, but it's the planter that I'm paying for that I'm going to throw out because I don't even want it. And look at that cutie. How cute. Not sure how much it is. I think it's $6.98. That's what I'm thinking that is, and that's a good deal. So yeah, we're gonna look at the house plants. They have some cute ones in here I wasn't expecting. That's pretty cute right there for $26.96. I think they call that the chocolate soldier, common name, but I can't read. It's a euphorbia, that I know. And they got some barrels over there, but I think I'll just go with these. All right, I need a couple white planters, guys. Seeing what they have. Nothing great. Need a larger one. I have some tropicals that I need to repot before it gets cold, but none of these will work. All right, guys, it looks like they got a shipment in of tropicals, which really looks good. Kind of pricey though. Look at this. Yeah, this is pretty. This one's $19.98 too. Remember when the Nanook was the it plant? You guys remember that? When the Nanook was like the it plant. Here it is. Here is $20. And remember when this was the it plant? This, the Birkin, is $20 too. And they have the Philodendron Congo Rojo right here. Look how beautiful that is. Let's see how much it is. I wish it would be $20. It's $29, but that's pretty. Look at that. It's the Congo Rojo. Very pretty. Obofolia. They're repeating here. So they got Hoyas. They got some marble queens. And what's this one? What's this, guys? These are hard though, for me. Anastasia, $29.90. Ficus Benjamina. Look at that. Pretty. But I don't think I can keep that alive, so I'm gonna leave that here. I've had these before, and they don't do well with me. They don't like me. All right. Yeah. I think that might be it. They got a little rubber plant here. Look at the obofolia though. They got some cuties. This one's pretty. It's another variety of the Ficus Benjamina. And the rubber plant, this is, see, I'll get you guys a price. $20 as well. Kind of pricey. So I'll show you guys. There's Tori again, smiling like she does. I got 2 planters for repotting 2 of my larger house plants before it gets cold. I got me 2 bags of the tropical mix and some, I use orchid bark in there too. Yeah, so we just wanted to really show you guys what they had. We stopped in again to look at ceiling fans. I need one more for my updates I'm doing to lighting and such, but they do have a good selection in here today. So get into your local Home Depot. Looks promising, so I can skip Home Depot tomorrow. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and close the video out. I hope you enjoyed this quick stop at my local Home Depot in Irving, Texas. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, I don't know what you're waiting for, but consider subscribing to the channel. It really, really helps me out. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.